Hey guys, so today we're going to be filming a brand new video, and today we're going to be filming with the new Powerpuff Girl collection, you guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited to show you guys this. Like, when I saw this, I was so hyped. Y'all know me. I think that's like a cute collab. I probably would buy it. Of course I picked her up. I mean, I'll leave that for the video so you guys can see all of that. If you guys want to see everything in this collection and see how this look turns out, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so like I said in my last video, I was gonna come back to camera, you know, the little camera quality. I was just trying to, like, you know, just film some like old school videos like on my phone. It was fun. I feel like I'm still gonna keep doing them. Let me know in the comments if you guys like film them, if you guys don't. Here is the Powerpuff Girls palette. Look at that, you guys. So freaking cute. So we have here some bright colors. We have 2 rows of colors, and then we have a good like neutral eye moment. Of course, I've already sketched out a look, and I'm gonna do a pretty colorful look. I want to try to use a color here in this section here, so let's just dive right in. So I just applied some eye base. We're just gonna go straight into this palette. I want to dip into this green shade right here, so we're gonna dive right on in. I'm just gonna go in here with a little brush. We're just going to start tapping her in, and this time around I got backups for my camera battery, so we're not going to be dealing with our camera dying every 2 seconds. Okay, and then we're going to dabble into this shade called Fashionista. Dug my nail into the blue. Not cute. Yeah, let's just see. I just want to make sure, this can get a little muddy, so I don't want to go too crazy. I really want to play with all these colors. I think I'm going to dip into this shade called Pokey Oaks right here. And we're just going to dip into that, and I'm going to apply that like right above that green and pink right here, just to blend out those edges, and then go into a little bit of this shade right here called Crime Fighting. I'm just going to use that again just to like lighten it up. Like I said, this can get a little muddy, you know, if you're not careful. So, you know, I would kind of go like in a tapping motion. So yeah, so that worked out pretty well. Back in with that green and just like layer her on top. I feel like I'm going to add a glitter here just to like blur off those lines, because those lines are gonna get a little muddy. I can already see it like right here. That's, you know, whatever. Well, called Rowdy Rough Boys. I was saying that I'm gonna do a graphic line. I'm gonna kind of like go in back in from what we did over here, but we're gonna do it backwards. So now we're gonna go into that green first. We're gonna just tap that green in. Called Fashionista, in case any of you guys wanted to see. And with this shade, I'm gonna kind of bring it down a bit. Like, I kind of wanted to, if y'all been on my page before, y'all have kind of seen me do this before, where I kind of bring the shadow down just for like extra color. I feel like it makes such a difference, especially with these brighter pink shades. And then we're gonna go into that shade called Rowdy Rough Boys. And don't worry, we're gonna dip into the shimmers. I just wanted to place down the mattes first, kind of get everything placed. Yeah, that blue shade, you guys, is very pigmented. I mean, these shades are all very pigmented, but that blue shade, okay, don't get too crazy, because then you're gonna start making a purple shade, and you know, we don't need all that. That is the pink. Oh my god, I'm loving that pink shade though. That's cute. Now we're gonna dip into that shade called Chemical X, that really pretty shimmer. Let me swatch it for you guys. I know I haven't been swatching, but let me, ooh, good. Ooh, that looks so good. I love a good green like that. We're gonna add that to the inner corner. And then like the inner corner spot, like right here. Let's first kind of dip in here. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch a shade called Frenemy. Let's see how that swatches, because I'm looking for like a pink shimmer. Okay, this is like more of a, what is that, like a coral orange type of a shade. Okay, so my camera battery died, of course, but luckily I had some backup. I'm here with that shade called Super Friends. Just gonna apply this glitter. It's a glitter shade, by the way, and we're just gonna apply that all over the lid. Well, not all over the lid, but like in this blue to pink area here. We're gonna dab a little bit, but be careful. But we're gonna add it right here in between again. Super cute. You know, I wish I had like a green glitter and pink glitter to like kind of add like right here. But I think I'm gonna keep it like this, because I feel like if I do too much, I might end up doing it the most. And y'all know me, I can get a little crazy. So I think I'm gonna leave it like this, and then call it a day. Let me just like probably blend this out too, like right here. We also have some blushes here, so we'll get into some blushes later. So let me just show you guys one more time. This is the palette. It's super freaking cute. Let me swatch some shades. Let me swatch some other shades in here. So we have some shimmers. Oh, that shade called, what is that called? Girls Rock, that corner coral shade. Look at that. Very much team Buttercup. So I think I'm gonna do a Buttercup full on just look, I think next week maybe. This look, I'm gonna go finish the other eye off camera and then do some blush and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I know y'all don't know this, but I was gone for a while. I spent like a good 30-40 minutes just like picking my lashes. I didn't know what lashes to choose. And I know some people are gonna hate that I chose some big lashes, but I honestly was like going through all my lashes and none of them, like, you know when you just know a vibe, like it just wasn't giving me that vibe like these are. I mean, these aren't even the ones I wanted to go in with. I mean, I didn't even get to show you guys the box in case any of you guys are out there that loves to see boxes. This is the box, how it comes in, and then these are the blush cartons it comes in. There were 2 blushes in this launch and it came with Saving the World and For the Fighting Crime. So I wanted to try both. Of course, these are super cute. We have here Saving the World, which is like a really pretty coral shade. And then the shade that really intrigued me was the shade called Fighting Crime. And I've actually heard a lot of good things about the shade. Everyone seems to have liked this shade a lot more, which is very interesting, but I see why. It's like a really cool, unique shade. So I think that's really fun. Dip in straight in with this blush here. Are we feeling coral or are we feeling like a pinky blush? I feel like I should try both. Just like, you know what, let's swatch it and let's see. So this is how that one looks. I feel like I should try it at least. Just to tell you guys I tried it. Just apply whatever's left. It's definitely like a cute little coral peach blush shade, but I definitely don't think this is the vibe for what I'm going for. I'm gonna apply it on this side though. So now we're gonna dip into the shade called Fighting Crime, and it's like probably gonna be my new favorite. Dipped in like 3 times, so let's see. Very pigmented, which I like. Did I even apply bronzer? I'd like both blushes though. I can't pick a favorite. Oh, my freaking TikTok live. We're here. I think I like this shade a little bit more, but I honestly, again, let me just turn this on here with some highlighter. I'm going to be using this one from Laura Mercier. My last video, I was talking about this in my like first impressions. I wanted to try it, but it was a little too light, but then I've gotten to use it like behind the scenes, and it's actually pretty cute. So yeah, I felt like I needed some highlighter today. Alright you guys, so that is the end of this video. Oh my god, this look turned out so cute. I love the way it turned out. I feel like I should try out another look. If you guys want to check that out, let me know. I'm thinking about doing a Buttercup look with this palette. Let me know if you guys want to see that. So let me know what your guys' thoughts are on this palette. If you guys feel like this is not no review or anything, I'm just kind of giving you guys my little thoughts. But yeah, so this was really cute. I really like that. Of course, the blushes were a vibe. ColourPop, I think they upped their formula, I believe. I think that's what I was hearing. Yeah, no, this is definitely a fave of mine. Really pigmented, but they're pigmented in a way where you can go off of just being buildable. You know, you can make it buildable. You guys, so if you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below any video suggestions you have for me. And of course, if no one told you you're beautiful, you're beautiful. Okay, bye guys.